What's up, everyone? It's Curry Gaming back again with another monster truck unboxing. And today we are going to be unboxing a monster truck that I found yesterday at O'Reilly's, and it's from the Hot Wheels Monster Truck series because for some reason O'Reilly's doesn't carry spin mats there. So I was lucky enough to find a Hot Wheels monster truck I didn't have. So I decided I will keep collecting these, but I won't get the repeats. Like Bone Shaker, for example, that's a repeat truck, so that's basically one truck I would avoid if I'm collecting these. The only one that they had from this case, which is case B, is Nessie Sary Roughness. It's 2 out of 5 of the Monster Miss. They also had 5 alarm, but I already have that. The only ones I need now from this case are Hissy Fit, Biohazard Loco Punk, and Demo Derby Podium Crasher. Alright, let's get this truck unboxed. Here's the crush car. And here's the truck. This thing looks really cool. It's got a blue roll cage, chrome chassis, of course. I like the rim combination, the light blue with the yellow. That's pretty cool. This metallic blue paint is also nice. There's the grill on the front. It looks really cool. Here's the hood. You got the Hotwheels Monster, aka Nessie. Yeah, so this truck was named after the Hotwheels Monster, because on top, if you look, it says Loch Ness, Scotland, and then it says Nessie Sary Roughness. And on the side here it says Nessie Sary Roughness with the Hot Wheels logo and the Monster Trucks logo, and some water, and you got Nessie's tail. And same thing on this side. And the tailgate, it just says Nessie Sary Roughness with water. Yeah, overall a pretty cool truck. It's very detailed, so I would rate this truck a I'd probably rate this truck a 10 out of 10 because of how detailed it looks. So yeah, guys, that was a quick unboxing of Nessie Sary Roughness. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.